In this video, I will show you how to install PyTorch in Anaconda. In Google, you have to type PyTorch. Then I click on this official website. And once you click on this, you will come on this page. So the latest version of PyTorch is 2.0. Now to install it, you have to click here, install. Then you have to scroll down a little bit. And here are the options given for you to how to install it in Anaconda. So first you have to select this stable version as it is. Then the second is you have to choose your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I will keep it as Windows. Now the third option is we have to select here Conda. So by default it has selected pip, but we are going to install it in Anaconda, so I'm going to select here Conda. And then everything you have to keep as it is. The language is going to be Python. Now if you have CUDA installed in your machine, then you can keep this as it is, CUDA 11.7. but if you don't have CUDA in your machine, then you can select CPU. In my machine I don't have CUDA, that is why I will select here CPU. Then you have to copy this command, and once you copy it, now you have to open your Anaconda prompt. Now here I'll go here in this Windows, and then I will select Anaconda here. So this is my Anaconda. I will see all the options, and here you can see Anaconda prompt. I'm going to click on it, and now I'm just going to paste the command that I have copied from here. This command that I have copied, I'll just right click here and I'll press enter. This can take some time, depends on your internet speed. So this should start installation of PyTorch in our Windows machine in Anaconda. Here you can see that collecting package metadata. It has started the installation process. It is done. The metadata is done. Now it is solving environment. Environment solving is done. Now here you will see this option of proceed yes or no. So you will get some options here. Package plan, the following new packages will be installed. So we have to type here yes, Y, and we have to press enter because it will install all these latest packages. So I have typed here Y and I'll press enter. Now you see that downloading and extracting packages, preparing transactions done. Then it will verify the transaction, that is also done. Executing transaction, it is in process now. That is also done, and we have successfully installed PyTorch in our Anaconda. So now I'm going to close it and we will verify. I'll open a new command prompt. I will write here cmd, then I will start Python, then I'm going to import torch. I should not get an error. I have successfully imported torch, and let's check the version of torch or PyTorch. I will write here torch.version, and it is 2.0. So we have successfully installed PyTorch, and I can close the command prompt. We can also have a look at one tutorial. I'll go here in tutorials, then I'll click on this tensors, and then I'll just copy this example from here. I'll open a Jupyter notebook. It is already opened. I'll paste it here. I'll run it. This will import torch for us, and also numpy it has imported. Now let's check the version of PyTorch. I'll write here torch dot dunder version. Now here in the output you can see we are seeing 2.0, and we can take one example. This example I'll copy it from here and I will paste it here. Now let us execute our code. Let us print our variable x underscore data, and here in the output we can see the example tensor it has printed. This is how you can install PyTorch in your Anaconda. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.